Hello guys. Let's have the solution for our first problem, which is posted in our page, which is Mathuto sa Mathematica. So welcome to our page, and let's explore about the different techniques and how to solve math problems. So let's start with our first. So what is the units digit or the last digit of 3 raised to 2003 plus 2 raised to 2003 plus 7 raised to 2003? And our choices are A3, B5, C7, D8. So let's start with 3 raised to 2003 plus 2 raised to 2003 plus 7 raised to 2003. So start tayo sa 3. So 3 raised to 1 is 3. 3 raised to 2 is 9. 3 raised to 3 is 27. 3 raised to 4 is 81. 3 raised to 5 is 243. 3 raised to 6 is equal to 729. 3 raised to 7 is equal to 2,187. 3 raised to 8 is equal to 6561. So, may nakikita na ba kayong pattern, guys, sa ating mga sagot from 3 raised to 1 to 3 raised to 8? Sana meron na po kayong nakita. And this is it. So, the pattern is, if we're going to look at the units digit of each value po, from 3 raised to 1 to 3 raised to 8, we have So we have 3 raised to 1, which is 3. So we have um, 3 for 3 raised to 2 is 9, 7, 1, 3, 9, 7, 1. So the pattern is every 4. Every after 4. So we have 3, 9, 7, 1 and 3, 9, 7, 1. So every 4. So before 2003, then the number which is divisible by 4 is 2000. So we have 3 raised to 2000, and we can use or we can say that the units digit of 3 raised to 2000 is equal to 1. And for 3 raised to 2003, the units digit is 7. So by looking at the pattern, so since 2000 is divisible by 4, so 1 po yung ating units digit. So we have for 2003 or for 3 raised to 2003, we have 7. Since for 2001, 3, for 2002, 9, and for 2003, 7. So yun po yung ating units digit ng 3 raised to 2003, which is equal to 7. So next we have 2. 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2. 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. 2 raised to 4, ano guys? What is 2 raised to 4? Yes, 16. 2 raised to 4 is 16. 2 raised to 5 is 32. 2 raised to 6 is 64. 2 raised to 7 is 128. And 2 raised to 8 is 256. So, may nakita ulit ba kayo na pattern? Yes naman. So, yun po. So, units digit again. So, yung units digit natin. So, we have 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6. So, ayan po. So, after 4 ulit. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6. And the same with 3 raised to 2000. So, we can have 2 raised to 2000. And for 2 raised to 2000 again, class or guys, we can say that its units digit is 6. And for 2 raised to 2003, the units digit will be 8. So we have 8 as our units digit for 2 raised to 2003. So yan po. So last tayo. So for 7. 7 raised to 2001 up to 2003. So yan po yung ating ano. So bago po 'yon, ano muna natin yung 7 raised to 1. 7 raised to 1 is 7. 7 raised to 2 is 49. 7 raised to 3 is 343. 7 raised to 4 is equal to 2,401. 7 raised to 5 is equal to 16,807. 7 raised to 6 is equal to 117,649. 7 raised to 7 is equal to 823,543. And we have also 7 raised to 8, which is equal to 5,764,801. So, take again. Wait lang. So, take a look again at the units digit of each value po. So, we have 7, 9, 3, 1, 7, 9, 3, 1. So, the pattern is every after 4 also. So, every after 4, the units digit of the value of 7 raised to any exponent divisible by 4 is 1. So, for 7 raised to 2,000, the units digit is 1. And for 7 raised to 2003, the units digit is 3. So, we have already the units digits for each term. And we have 7 plus 8 plus 3, which is 18 as our sum. And for this value, the units digit is 8. So, which is letter D. So, the answer for our first problem is letter D. So, sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating unang problem and more problems to come po. And para mas madami po tayong malaman about mga different techniques in solving math problems. So, thank you for watching and enjoy po.